Understanding prompt engineering.
Prompt engineering is the art of crafting questions and instructions to get the best results from AI tools. It's a valuable skill for anyone interested in working efficiently with artificial intelligence, ensuring clear communication and improved outcomes. Mastering prompt engineering can enhance productivity, support creative problem solving, and open up new opportunities in tech-driven roles.
Why prompt engineering matters.
As AI becomes more integrated into daily tasks and industries, knowing how to write effective prompts is essential. Good prompts help you get accurate answers, automate workflows, and make the most of AI applications. Whether you're in tech, business, or education, prompt engineering can set you apart and increase your impact.
Learning core principles.
Start by understanding basic principles: clarity, specificity, and context. A clear prompt uses simple language, while a specific prompt gives detailed instructions or asks for certain formats. Providing enough context helps the AI understand your goal. Practicing these basics can dramatically improve how well AI tools respond.
Hands-on practice with AI tools.
Experiment with popular AI platforms like chatbots, text generators, or code assistants. Try rephrasing prompts, giving examples, or setting constraints. Learn what changes output quality. Review tutorials and free resources to deepen your skill set. Hands-on experience is key to discovering what works best, especially as tools evolve.
Building an ongoing learning path.
Stay curious and keep learning. Join online communities, participate in challenges, and follow updates from trusted sources. Explore guides or courses focused on prompt engineering. Regularly review your results and adjust your approach. By practicing consistently and learning from others, you'll develop the confidence and expertise needed for effective AI interaction.